Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, renovated conference hall inaugurated at new plate mill of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And we need to create awareness amongst people regarding economic needs of the country and promote public participation in the development journey, says Mr. Deepak Chettiraj, CEO RSP. And now the news in detail. The renovated conference hall, equipped with modern facilities, was inaugurated at new plate mill of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant by Mr. Deepak Chettiraj, CEO RSP, on 10th February 2021. Present on the occasion were Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge and Marketing, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, CGM in charge NPM, and Mr. A.V. Rajshekhar, CGM Mechanical, Mr. Arvind Mishra, CGM Raw Materials Handling Plant, and other senior officers. It may be noted that the 800 square feet NPM conference room has been given a complete facelift by Civil Engineering Department and NPM Department. New tiles, drop ceiling, wall paneling and an executive washroom have been added. The department took up other beautification jobs with additives as window panel and new drapes, acoustics improvement, 3-stage LED lighting, air conditioning, state-of-art PA system, matching furniture, podium and 85 inches UHD screen for presentations and meetings. We need to create awareness amongst people regarding economic needs of the country and promote public participation in the development journey, said Mr. Deepak Chettiraj, CEO RSP, at the ceremony organized at Hotel Regency Inn on 9th February 2021 to mark the release of the book Turn Around India 2020 Surmounting Past Legacy, authored by Mr. R.P. Gupta, an eminent member of Rourkela Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The program, organized by RCCI, was attended by Mr. Sarda Prasad Nayak, MLA, Rourkela, and Chairman, District Planning Committee, Mr. Praveen Garg, President RCCI, senior functionaries of RCCI, and many distinguished persons of the Steel City. While congratulating the prolific writer for scripting the masterpiece, Mr. Chettiraj highly appreciated the book, which has touched an array of topics right from economic history to gold monetization scheme, building team spirit, productive usage of crop residue, agro policy and energy policy very deftly and convincingly. Notably, the book launch event was organized at Hotel Taj Mahal, New Delhi. Mr. Jwel Oram, Honorable Member of Parliament and Chairperson Standing Committee on Defence, Government of India, released the book. The function was attended by Mr. Prashant Nanda, Rajya Sabha MP, and many eminent personalities. Mrs. Soma Mandal, Chairman SAIL, and a host of dignitaries attended the book launch ceremony online. It is worth mentioning here that the book, written by Mr. R.P. Gupta, aims at creating economic awareness among masses through his own experience, who has been an engineer by profession and possesses more than 4 decades of experience in managing small corporates. And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.